long will you run? How long will you hide? A child whose ears is blocked with stubbornness is not spared by Olodumare. Even a mosquito that goes about spreading malaria is not spared by Olodumare. Olodumare. What else can be more than Olodumare? Who is that mortal that can stand beside Olodumare? It is Olodumare I will serve.
I am not Jonah, but when I get to Nineveh, I'm going to preach in poetry. And you know why? Because when I preach in poetry, my message massages every passage.
Poetry moves. It shifts like the ocean, crashes like waves, whispers in the wind, then rolls like thunder.
But we general world, no fake vibes. What really matters was speaking French with my BBO accent. I'm a wanderer in my own world, turning paper into passports and landing continents with continents. Poetry stretches to Asia like Amala.
On the Sunday I was born, it was all merriment and joy. They called it Ojodu. They say a child is a gift from God, so they partied all day, booze, food, and an endless supply of rhythm and blues. It was truly an elaborate day. Bami Alabi named me Ashabi, bearing me in his arms, tender skin glistening with the finest of oil, a true daughter of the soil, he declared. Wadi Omoduabi. A pride to family and society, I would grow up to fulfill destiny, and the all chorus are me, end of ceremony.
The best way to avoid being locked up is to lock up. And so the key to our freedom of speech has been thrown into an ocean. The yeas have it. The nays have it. Wait, you don't get it like I want you to. We are stamped to the imprint of behavior like them. We wear their shameful garments elegantly like it's Gucci. Give me a fridge there, I go chop my own claim out.
Isn't poetry just words, and words are cheap? Is this really a career path? You ask them. Are words really cheap when word can create the story we call world that we live in? Ask them. Are words really cheap when beautifully crafted can cause you to show the charming side of your lips? You smile at compliments, hypocrites. Ask them.
Come on. I need anybody I'm my baby my baby
To raise the hand of the person in second position. Just raise the hand. Oh yeah, give me the drum roll now. Congratulations, Additional congratulations too. Thank you. Position, a round of applause for them, please. So for the first position gets 200,000 naira. And the second position gets 150,000. And the third position gets 100,000.
Oh, I need to myself see. I don't have nobody for mine. Nobody for mine.
Look, grown man, I'm trying to get as riches on my own. You them pussy niggas, motherfucker, leave me alone. Proceed along the line, I'm dreaming up a globe. Upon the name of God, I paint you pictures of the dome. It's your real life. This nigga's losing authenticity. Nigga thought they're free, but socially seeking for liberty.
Riding down on the street, got a driver. You don't feel like you're running up the shaitan. Somebody like, somebody riding down on the street, got a driver. You know me like, you're running up the shaitan. Somebody like,